Fix the finals fatal error login failed 500. Method 1. Open Steam, it's where you have all your games. Find the finals in your game list. Right-click on the finals and pick Properties from the menu. Click on the Installed Files tab. Hit the Verify Integrity of Beta Files button. Wait for it to finish, then close the Properties window. Now, try reopening the finals and see if the login error is gone. Method 2. Open Steam and find the files. Right-click on it, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. Look for a file called Discovery. Right-click on Discovery and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Click Change Settings for all users. Tick the box saying Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save changes and close the Properties window. Go back to Steam, try launching the finals, check if the login issue is fixed. Additional steps. If it still acts up, turn off your antivirus, just for a bit. Try opening the finals again. If it's still not working, you might need to reinstall the finals, that's the last resort. There you go, give these steps a shot, and hopefully you'll be back in action. That wraps up our troubleshooting journey. I hope these steps have helped you get rid of that pesky login error in the finals. Remember, if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. Gaming should be about fun, not technical glitches. Until next time, happy gaming, and may your login experiences always be smooth. Cheers.